Welcome to Crio. Can you kindly tell us about yourself?
I'm Deepa Shree. I'm from Bangalore. I have done my civil engineering. I am currently working in Infosys. I have joined Crio in the year of 2023. So after that, I've been a student in Crio, and the learning process is really good. The teaching is really good, and I have completed all my projects in the year of 2023. And since because of my busy schedule, I didn't get time to give any interviews. Even though they had called me for a walk-in drive, I have not given my bar raiser yet. Still, they had called me, so I really appreciate it.
That's very nice to know. Can you tell us about a little bit about how your experience was today? A lot of learners, a lot of recruiters, face to face. How was today's experience?
It was good. Even though there were many people, they made the process really easy. It was convenient. It was not at all confusing.
That's very nice to know. And very briefly, like how was your learning experience at Crio?
As I already told, the teaching expertise are, they're really nice. If we ask even the silliest doubts, they do clear it. And it's not about only learning. If we face any issues in deployment, or if it is not even related to any technical things, they do help us.
Okay. That's very nice to know. And today, did it all go well? Like your interviews?
Yes, it went really well.
Okay, and you're pretty confident?
I am pretty confident.
Okay, no worries. Dave, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate you coming in. All right, thank you.